If you are struggling with your credit score for a long time, I have the best solution for you in my hand. This ebook costs $49, but I am giving it to you for free. It's a limited time offer. Download now and solve your credit problems. I have put the link in the video description.
So, you need to apply for a mortgage or a car loan in about 3 months, but your credit score is not great. Let's be real, you've seen those crazy ads promising a 200-point jump overnight. We both know that's not how it works. Forget the gimmicks. I'm going to walk you through a realistic 90-day plan that actually gets results. We'll take it month by month so you can build the best score possible and walk into that lender's office feeling confident. All right, month 1 is all about damage control and scoring some quick wins. First things first, you need to see what lenders see. Go pull your credit reports from all 3 bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Now, let's tackle the biggest and fastest thing you can influence, your credit utilization. That's just the percentage of your available credit that you're currently using. You've probably heard the under 30% rule. That's a good guideline because scoring models really reward it, but people with the highest scores often keep their utilization under 10%. Here's a pro tip that makes a huge difference. Pay down your credit card balances before your statement closing date, not just the due date. This means a lower balance gets reported, which can often give your score a nice little boost within a month or so, depending on when your card reports. And last, read through those reports line by line. Find an error? Dispute it. Cleaning up mistakes is one of the best ways to see a quick jump. Welcome to month 2. This is where we build momentum. Your payment history is the single most important factor for your score, so your mission is simple: 100% on-time payments. Seriously, go set up autopay on every single account right now. It's the easiest way to prevent new late payments from wrecking your progress. Next up, take a little break from applying for new credit. Many applications can trigger a hard inquiry, which can cause a small, temporary dip in your score. Having a bunch of recent inquiries can look a little risky to lenders. Your focus right now is on fixing the credit you have, not getting more. And hey, if you have any old accounts and collections, this is a great time to start looking at your options for handling them. We're in the home stretch. Month 3 is for optimizing. If your credit file is a little thin, you could ask a family member with a great credit history to add you as an authorized user on one of their cards. In many cases, their history of on-time payments can start to help your score, though its impact can vary depending on the scoring model and the card issuer. Keep doing what you've been doing. Pay everything on time and keep those card balances super low. It's also a good time to check back on any disputes you filed to make sure those errors actually got removed. After 2 months of solid work, you should be seeing some real progress. Depending on where you started, a score increase anywhere from 20 to 100 points is definitely possible, and that can be a game changer for getting approved and locking in a good interest rate. So there you have it. It's not magic, it's just a smart, proven plan. By hitting your utilization hard, never missing a payment, and cleaning up your reports, you can seriously improve your credit score. You're the one in the driver's seat. If you're ready to get a handle on your money for good, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We've got plenty more to talk about.